Bote pa lang na, amoy mo na.
They're all emperador. Shot po no!
Talaga silang bagay.
Hello and welcome to the first episode of Toma Titas! Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Toma Tita. I'm Tita number 1. My name is Rina, and here with me is Toma Tita number 2. And today we are here to turn red with joy and lots of alcohol by ranking different
Snacks!
and of course, what is it a new man without some alcohol? So we'd like to thank Emperador for sending over some drinks for us tonight. Let's go! Today, our first snack is mixed crispy pusit and dilis.
Say push it 5 times.
It's teriyaki style, so it's something different. I've never tried this before. And it's going to be paired with...
New.
Okay, let's open it.
Wow! Amoy pusit 5 times!
It's a gamble whether you're gonna get pusit or dilis. This is a pusit. So this is a pusit, right?
Oh.
What do you call this?
Oh, pusit!
Okay, cheers. Let's start with this. It's so hard. Shut up. Cheers. Bagay siya.
This works.
Try the pusit. And I'll try the opposite. I'm sure for the dilis.
Oh!
The sweetness of the mule really adds to it. Mas masarap yung pusit. The dilis
Is opposite.
but at least there's the mule. So, buti na lang may mule. Here. This will be here. For me.
The combo.
No, but like separate. As separate things. Because we're also gonna look for the ultimate pairing later. One is the best.
Ah! One's the best?
Yeah. So already we have the extremes of the spectrum. Okay. Next snack! So we have green grape and aloe juice, which we're gonna try to mix with the green grape. And our snack is...
Bicol Express. With ketchup chips.
I think we should just mix it. How much of this do I put?
Oh my wait! Kunti lang!
Okay na yan. Okay. It smells good!
Eh. Uy!
Oh. It's so good.
Bicol Express nga.
You taste the gata.
Wow. Chan! And I have to drink not facing you.
Why?
Wait, with this thing here.
I like it.
Isa bagay.
Para kung kumakain ng Bicol Express sa Korean restaurant.
I put this. I put this. Here. With this.
I'd put this here. Fine. Middle. Maybe next to it. Which one is here? You're both number 1. Okay, next drink! And we're on to my favorite drink, the wine. This is a pink Moscato.
By who?
Barefoot.
Barefoot?
Yeah, imported by Emperor.
Philippine brand mango chocolate. Chocolate manguez. Chocolate yung binabasa ko. Mango.
It's mango chocolate.
Chocolate na, mango pa. Ang dami nilagay. Mango. Oh!
Cheese.
Cheese. Kung may iba pang number, dun yan, dun.
Dun.
Kaya niya mag-isa. Ito, di naman kailangan.
That's my ranking for that. Ito mga 2.5.
But it's special. It tastes like every single mango thing you've tried.
It's dark chocolate. I still prefer fresh mango, so we'll put it at 4.
Parang dark on tamis-tamis.
It's dark chocolate. It's the sweetness from the mango and the sugar. This next drink is another wine, but it's no longer a dessert wine. This is the Cabernet Sauvignon.
How do you pronounce things incorrectly? Cabernet?
Cabernet Sauvignon.
Oh my God! Wow!
this is the Cabernet Sauvignon from Emperador. It's also barefoot.
This is Caracal salted egg chicharron. Premium pork skin. Explosive flavors. Hand-cut and cooked in small batches to achieve that ear-tingling crunch. If my ears don't tingle, it's not crunchy. Uy, salted egg. Mas egg kaysa salt.
Prost!
Gross. It's perfect.
It's so good.
Time to get the salted egg. Time to get the salted egg. You can't even have one because you're allergic to egg.
Take the wine, take the wine!
Hindi siya bagay! Hindi bagay! Hindi bagay!
Do we move this to 3? So this goes to 4.
Alam mo ito, this tastes like everything eh.
Okay.
Diyan mo nilagay.
But it's not as bad as the this. 5
Okay,
to this.
basta ito, lagay mo dyan.
Okay.
Ito,
Where would you
dito
put
sa
that?
gitna. So if you guys are ever going to get something like this, pair it best with beer or something fizzy. Kasi ito, hindi talaga silang bagay. Next round, Emperador Light!
With mochi.
Wow. Let me know your comments, guys.
Other one.
Cheers! Masarap siya.
It's really good.
Cheers muna. Go! 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
One more, huh? I count slower. 1, 3, go.
Oh, I can't smell it.
Diet naman ito.
Oh no!
Para super clear na one talaga to. It's the best pairing. Kasi masarap. Alone. Pero yung kasama nito was this one. Ay, ito yun! Ito tsaka ito. Hindi sila bagay. But they taste super sarap separately. These two pwede. Ito, mas bagay siya with and then there. Plus this.
Oh no!
I might actually put this with. My favorite, I love red. They go with everything. Soju, I have like a lot. Best dessert wine is the Pink Moscato. I can finish a whole bottle. When there's no beer, I go for Mule. This is great for sobering up. This is great with Coke. Lots of Coke and just like a drop of this. It's my ranking. Thank you all so much for being here for the Toma Titas first episode. I'm Toma Tita Rina.
I'm Toma Tita Annie.
And we had the Toma Titas ranking our favorite Emperador drinks. And as for me, my winner is the Cabernet.
Because she weak.
Because I like sweet things and I like things that actually have taste.
And my number one, Emperador Light.
The thing you
mixed with
shouldn't
mochi.
taste. But yeah, we both love mochi as an alternative to the usual savory thing. So it's a nice surprise and it's nice.
All right.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and tune in to BlogaPlay for our next episode.
Go!